Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to distribute your music using Tunecore Rising Artist Plan. It's very easy. So let's get started with the process. Now the first step to take is to head to a browser and go to tunecore.com. Now once you're on tunecore.com, you will need to sign up for a Tunecore account. I have a video tutorial on how you can sign up for a Tunecore account, so you can go and check that out. Now once you have a Tunecore account, the next thing you want to do is to log into your account. So here's the login option at the top right corner, so I'm going to click on login. After that, you're going to have to log in, enter your email address and password and click on login. Now after logging in, now the next step to take is to click on this artist services at the top. After clicking on that, you have to scroll down and you're going to see after clicking on the artist services, you see this pricing option right here. Click on that, and now you just have to scroll down and you're going to find the available plans on Tunecore. Now this is the free Rising Artist, Breakout Artist, Professional plan. Alright, so the one we're going to take a look at is this one, which is the Rising Artist. So I'll click on Get Started. Alright, so after clicking on Get Started, what else? The next thing to do here is to click on Add Release at the top. Now select either single, album or ringtone. Now after clicking on that, what else do you have to do? Here you have to enter all these informations. Now your single title, what's going to be the title of your song? I'm going to, for example, let's give it this title, and the next thing you want to do is add main artist. How can you do that? Click on the button and enter your artist name. What's your artist name? If you have an artist name already on Spotify, enter your artist name. For example, I'm going to enter this one and click on continue, and then to bring up your artist name, so go ahead and select it. But if you don't have an artist name or an artist account on Spotify, what you're going to do is to click on create artist page for me and click on create Spotify page for me. Alright, so scroll down, do the same thing for the Apple Music. Click on create Apple page for me, click on this one again and click on save preferences. Now what else? Now does a song have explicit lyrics? No, yeah, the same thing. Now what else? The language, I'll leave it to be English. Select a primary genre, secondary genre. Alright, so what date do you want to release the single? I want to release the single on the 30th of April, and then I was able to choose a release time, and this is for Spotify only. So I want this single to be released on at 3 a.m. yeah, so we'll move on to the next one. Now this is the next phase. Yeah, this one's optional. You can add your label name, recording location, etc. Alright, once you're done with that, click on save, release and add song. Then start processing. Now once it's complete processing, the next thing you want to do here is to add stores. click on this add stores button and add more stores that you want your song to be distributed on. If you want your song to be distributed on iTunes, go ahead and tick this box. If you want it to be delivered on Spotify, tick this one. So go ahead and tick all the boxes of the platform you want your song to be distributed on. Now once you're done with that, what else do you have to do? Come down here and click on save. Alright, now once that is done, the next thing you want to do is to upload your song. Now go to this section which is for song. This section which is for song, and the first step you want to take is to add a songwriter's name, because that is required. After adding it, you scroll down, and if you have the lyrics of the song, you can just come down here and upload the lyrics of the song, and then click on save. After saving that, then you have the option to upload your song. Now if you look right here, there's this upload stereo button. Click on that and select the song, the already recorded song you have. For example, I'll choose this one. Now just take a few seconds to upload your song. Now once your song is being uploaded, it's now uploaded. Now the next step to take is to click on this edit artwork to change the default artwork. Alright, so I'll click on that, and we're going to find lots of artwork templates to choose from, or we can upload from our device. Upload your artwork. If you have an already designed artwork, click here to upload it from your device. Alright, I don't have any, so I'm just going to choose any of these templates, and then I will have the opportunity to customize the templates to my test. If you look right here, there's this option is right here for you to customize, that allows you to customize your artwork. Once you're done with that, click on save. Then it'll take a few seconds to save your artwork. Now once that is completed, the next thing you can do now is to just come right here and click on add to cart. Click on go to checkout, and after that, what else? The next thing to do is to click on you can go through your order. Go through your order, and as you can see, the charge is $0. Click on proceed to checkout at the top. And what else do we have to do? Now we need to add our payment method. You can choose to use the PayPal, credit card, UnionPay, Alipay, or Google Pay. Now I want to use the credit card, so I've already added my credit card details right here. So if you want to add yours, you can click on the add card option right here. You can choose the credit card option and add a new card. Alright, so it's very simple to do, guys. Now once that is done, the next thing you want to do is to click on pay now right here at the bottom. Now if we do that, it start processing our payment, and once that is successfully done, then as you can see right here, we've successfully ordered for these. Alright, so click on awesome. Now as you can see right here, it says congratulations, you've successfully submitted your release. Please allow 1 to 2 business days for your release to be reviewed by our content review team. Once your music has been approved, it will be sent to stores. So guys, it's that simple, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like, and equally subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.